Right, well, welcome to another canine wild camping video. Another 20 minutes of your life you won't get back. I will try and make this not quite so tediously boring as the other ones, and I'll do my best. Anyway, doing something a little different today than the normal trog up Kinder Scout. I'm going to go up to the topper edges of Bleaklow for a change. Seems though it's cooled down somewhat, so it's nice and overcast and about 15 degrees. Perfect. Alright, I'll catch you later. So we've walked past Slippery Stones and now we're heading up the little cut gate, and that goes up that hill in front of us, and we're ending up on the ground that's behind the dip of the two hills in the actual foreground. Oh, I've done it again, spouting off loads of rubbish only to be lost because I never recorded it. Anyway, we're halfway up Little Cut Gate, thereabouts. It's quite overcast. There's a bit of a breeze, but it's quite a pleasant day in actual fact. So hopefully when we get up to Ballstones we'll have a decent view. I need to go there to get some water, and then I'll decide from there where I'm going to pitch. So I'll catch you later. Right, heck, that bit's steeper than I remember. Or is it me just getting old? Probably a combination of both. Anyway, we're kind of almost at a level spot now, and these damn great big flies, they're not biting, but they're enormous, and there's millions of them, and they're really irritating. But at least they're not biters. They're getting in your hair and everything. I'll turn the camera around and show you down the valley. There we go. That's the path leading to the upper Derwent Valley, because this isn't the upper Derwent Valley. Slippery Stones is down there and to the left, and Derwent Valley runs on your right all the other side of that hill. And over there in the distance, there's Ballstones and Crowstone's Edge and Crowstone's over there. So that's our general direction that we're heading. I don't know if this video camera is picking up this absolute swarm of flies, huge things like helicopters, like that ornithopter from Dune, absolutely massive. Anyway, we'll catch you later. Well, we've reached where Little Cut Gate flattens out, and in front of us is the top of actual Cut Gate, and in that clip just there you've got Marjorie Hill and the Trig Point, etc. And yeah, apart from these enormous flies, of which they're in like their billions, it's a really cracking day, and it's nowhere near as hot as it has been. It's just fantastic, and the view from here is amazing. I can see myself coming around this area more often, and it's definitely a break from Kinder. Anyway, onwards and upwards, and off we go. Right, we've now reached little cut gate becomes cut gate. 1 second. And behind me you have the path to Marjorie Hill and Marjorie Stones, and that way is Ballstones and Ballstone Spring. So that's the way we need to head. Over there is the path to Ballstones, and that way is Marjorie Hill and Marjorie Stones. Oh, there's thousands and thousands of them heather flies just like hovering over the heather, but you can't see them in the video. They're not biting, but they are like getting in your ears and hair and everything. Right, time to crack on. Right, I'm pitched up. We've had the odd sporadic midge attack when the breeze dies down. Don't know where they come from, there's bloody thousands of them. Got a cobweb across my tent already. So, what a view. What a truly cracking spot this is. Amazing. I've just fed Yanu, so she'll be happy now. She'll like to get in the tent and settle down. So, this is basically the view out my door. Absolutely astounding. Absolutely astounding. Amazing view. And the sun's out. Oh man. Was it worth the walk up here? You bet it was. I was going to go to Marjorie's Stones maybe, but no, I found this spot absolutely cracking. What a view. Absolutely incredible. So, right now, I've fed the dog and my thoughts are turning towards a glass of rum and some tea, because I'm bloody starving. So, while this breeze is on, I'm going to get some food and enjoy this amazing view. So, the midges are around, and periodically when the breeze drops they reappear, but for the most part there's quite a breeze and keeping them away, although I do have quite a few in my tent, but they're not really bothering the dog too much. So right about now, without further ado, my thoughts turn to a glass of rum, which is my Fruits of the Forest one, the last of it, and it's pretty potent, this stuff. And it's time to get some tea on. So we have mushroom and tomato bolognese with cheese and onion mashed potatoes, and my pear with cream cheese and white wine on sea salt crackers to start. I forgot to mention that I've got a lot of some garlic and herb croutons left that I made from a 20p loaf of bread from Morrison's end of day sales. Should be good. Okay, it's about 7 o'clock I've had my tea. Oh, that was good. That tomato and mushroom bolognese and mashed potatoes, can't fault it. Cheese, pear puree with cream cheese and white wine. Oh yes, very good. And so now I'm settled in the tent with the midge door closed, because they're coming and going, but when they come, there's a lot of them. Well, they've not been too bad. Nowhere near as bad as when we camped down at Dave's spot last week. That was horrendous. So I'll turn the camera around and show you the view. As you can see, I've got a few stragglers inside. We've got rid of a lot of them, but there's still a few, but they seem to be more intent on getting out than feeding on us. So, excuse the mesh, but it's necessary. So this is the view that I am now currently lying down to and enjoying a glass of rum. Yeah, you can take your 2 weeks beach holiday in Tenerife with all them hundreds of other people and shove it. It don't get any better than this. Now the sun's coming out too. Right, back to me drinking my rum and just basically contemplating the meaning of life, which I do believe is 22, and enjoying the rest of the evening. So catch you later. So it's good night for me, and it's good night from her. Good night. Right, morning campers. It is 6 AM and it would appear that the midges are out in force yet again. So it's hasty retreat time, I think, and get moving and back to the car. So we had a cracking night, really slept really well. There's just not a breath of wind this morning, and the condensation isn't too bad, but yeah, there's a lot of midges about. Well, the new midge jacket thing I got for 20 quid is most definitely proving the best 20 quid I've spent for a fucking long time. They are rife this morning while I'm packing away. And it's a shame I ain't got anything for the dog. But anyway, so, right, without more of ado, I need to get packed up and get off here. As you can see, we're packed away. No bits of rubbish, nothing like that. So we leave it so others can enjoy it. And poor old Janu's getting, we need to move. These midges are absolutely rife this morning. And yeah, this midge jacket's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Love it. But the midges seem to have dissipated somewhat. As long as you don't stand still for too long, it's not too bad now. But it's a beautiful morning. No, didn't see a sunrise. Beautiful morning. Didn't see a sunrise. Really quite cloudy, but excellent visibility all the same. There we go. Well, we're about halfway down Little Cook Gate already. Not too bad here. And there's where we were last night. Cracking spot, apart from the midges. Anyway, so we'll plod on. You getting a drink? Right, I'm now down at the bottom of the Little Cook Gate, and about halfway down the midges got rife, so it's back on with the head net. Yeah, this 20 quid midge jacket is brilliant, absolutely brilliant, and it doesn't really affect your view. And it's not like, I know I've got a cap on, but it's still not sitting on my face. It's, yeah, absolutely worth the money, definitely. Yeah. Anyway, not far back to the car now.